Good morning, it's Wednesday and today, let's learn another untranslatable Ilocano word and that is Gayam. Gayam. Gayam is the equivalent of the untranslatable Tagalog word pala, which is used to express a sudden realization of a mistake or a sudden realization of a fact opposite to what you were thinking. Let's have examples. Adda pa'y gayam. Adda pa'y gayam. In Tagalog, we say, meron pa pala. Meron pa pala. Another one is, Awanen gayam. Awanen gayam. In Tagalog, wala na pala. Wala na pala. Awanen gayam. Adadta ka gayam. Adadta ka gayam. Adadta ka gayam. Andyan ka pala.
Adadta ka gayam.
Adadtoy ka gayam. Adadtoy ka gayam. I thought you're Japanese. Pilipino ka gayam. Pilipino ka gayam. Pilipino ka pala.
Boson. Nagimas gayam ti kape ni nanang ko.
Nagimas gayam ti kape ni nanang ko.
Mhm.
Gimas mo't gayam ti kapim. Nagimas mo't gayam ti kapim.